The United Kingdom Labour government has signaled that it may revise immigration laws to attract foreign nationals who constitute a significant portion of the care sector workforce. Sanabera mashoko abuda achibva ku-UK United Kingdom aiwa panzi panapa pazobuda a hope for Zimbabweans noda kuti aiwa United Kingdom government iri kuti aiwa it is now hinting to revise care worker visa restrictions kuti varerutsire vagari vemunyika yeZimbabwe nemamwe maneighboring countries kuti vasasangana nematambudziko kana marestrictions akanyanya kuwandisisa zvingaita kuti vatadze kuzoshanda nenyika dzakaita sana UK. Sanabera mashoko amudanyongo pana mudorobha subscribe like what on the bell icon tipina mnamunhu kwamuchinzi. This development comes amid growing concerns about the potential closure of care homes in wars, driven by restrictive immigration policies introduced by the previous Conservative government. Official figures indicated that the number of people applying for UK visas to work in the care sector plummeted by 80% in the first quarter of 2024. This sharp decline is largely attributed to the immigration laws introduced in March by the Conservative administration under then Prime Minister Rishi Sunak. Sunak's government has imposed a ban preventing foreign healthcare workers from bringing their families to the United Kingdom, drastically reducing the number of applications from overseas. The forum warned that these restrictions are contributing to the closure of care homes across wars, further exacerbating the already critical shortage of care workers. Mary Wellsby, manager of the Catefree Berin care home in Kauri country, highlighted the difficulty of recruiting local staff. We've been trying to recruit locally from years, but no one applies for the job. No one wants to work weekends, nights, and it's not attractive, Wellsby said. Domashwa rubuda panapa zvinzi aiwa vakuda kuzama kuredusa mavisa restrictions noda kukuti aiwa vangokamisa kunzi aiwa mafamilies but maworkers vatadze varege kuenda mafamilies avo vachizogara navo zvazvaonekwa kuti aiwa zviri kubva zvachiredusa maapplications evanhu vanenge vada kushanda ikoko kuUnited Kingdom but vari kuona kuti vakamarevisa vakakama up with new restrictions adzikisiwa mbichana vanoona maapplicants akawanda achiuya aizoshanda munoda kuti vagari vemunyika imomo United Kingdom havasida kushanda maweekends havasida kushanda overnights zvaonekwa kuti aiwa vapa mukana wevagari vemunyika yeZimbabwe. Motiziva mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu musano subscribe kulike pachinotirana the bell.